I think only 1 week is something you'll be in India, and I think you'll have to go back again. But still, our relation and your heart should be in this garden city and the lovely city, which always the world is looking India through Bangalore. This is also what you have to look at. This is the place which we have very big knowledge capital, very big human resources, very big strength in whatever sector you call. This is all my friends from last 30, 40 years. They have built Bangalore, and this was a place. But still, I would like to, on behalf of government of Karnataka, on behalf of my chief minister, all my colleagues, and all the tycoons who have built Bangalore. It is not only the governments who have built Bangalore. Famous educationists are there, industrialists are there, IT, BT, whichever you call. All of them have built this Bangalore. I don't like too much tell because Mr. Jaishankar is there. He's a great, I think, workaholic minister who has been working so hard to keep the country's image very high. We all are proud of you. I'm ready to extend whatever cooperation we want from Karnataka. This will go a long way. We know that after September 11, what all incident, how I know that in those days when ambassador came to meet my chief minister, how he wanted Bangalore to grow, what was the decision. All Fortune 500 companies at those days, they started looking at Bangalore. They thought that this is only the safest city in the entire country. Why, when 5 countries were being cornered to see that where they had to start their headquarters. So I'm sure we will maintain the relationship, a good harmony in an international city. We know that there are a lot of hiccups and some problems are there because it is not a well-planned city. But still, Bangalore, Karnataka is a place for all of you, for the international growth, for the international business, and you can make stronger. We are building up Bangalore, brand Bangalore. My 2 great ministers are here who are creating. And next month, I think in February, we are having a global investors meet, and Mr. Patil is taking care. He traveled all over the important countries to invite all of them. Mr. Priyank is there, who have been looking at, who have been making a mark. I think we all, let us both join together. I always tell, joining together is the beginning, thinking together is the progress, working together is the success. I'm sure. Let us all work together. We'll share our hands with you, join with you. We want to make this city and this country proud. Thank you.